Notice, the following video contains loud audio, distorted sentences, and flashing visuals. In May of 2003, a home computer in the basement was completely compromised. For years, the footage was written off as an urban legend. A recent investigation on 4chan uncovered a link between the specific machine and the online cult operating in the early 2000s. Users found logs showing in the cult weaponized the virus that could hijack a system's hardware directly. Investigators quickly realized this wasn't a digital virus at all. It was actually a physical entity. It turned into a world, keeping it alive by feeding it physical files, documents, and system drives. It literally consumed them to grow. Once they ran out of files to escape the basement, the following footage shows a victim who woke up to heavy thumping sounds coming from upstairs. As the entity began running down towards them, they rushed to hide under the blankets. They didn't survive.